Welcome everybody, this is the very last update for Colossus. This project so far I think has taken me around 6 to 8 weeks. We started by building the loop and then the airtime hill and the cobra roll and then the 2 corkscrews, there's a second one there. And I think after that we built the drop and the top of the lift and then the turn and all the inline twists. And that's pretty much up to date with where we are now. The only things I have left to build is the long turn after the twists, the final twist, and then the station and the brake run. And then I have to build the lift structure. But everything that I have left to build shouldn't take that long at all. That's why I'm going to say that there's probably about a week or 2 left in this project now. But yeah, I just wanted to get on, give you guys a little update, show you guys all of the sections sort of in order of where they're going to be. So first, let's go out in the hallway and show you guys the top of the lift. So sorry for it being a bit dark, but it is night time. But here's the top of the lift. I have yet to build the actual lift structure itself, and then the big line that you see on the floor here is exactly how long it's going to need to be. So the lift is going to end somewhere here, then that's going to be the station, and then that's going to be the final twist. But that's what I have left to build. That section down there, right there, is what connects the top of the lift to the top of the drop. It's just the little corner section there, and then the lift will go here. Obviously we have the drop and then the loop that we built in the first episode. We then have the airtime section here. I think this might be the first half of the cobra roll. And then this is the second half that leads into the first corkscrew. And then this is the other side of that first corkscrew. And then over here is the second corkscrew. Still quite big, that, to be fair. Which leads into the little straight section and then into the bank, which is quite a big drawn out bank. But that'll eventually hop up. I think that's the hop up section there. Into this part here, which starts the inline twists. Now they're going to be in 2 sections. We've got the first one, the second one, and then that attaches to this end, and that's the third one, and then the fourth one. So that's the very end of the last inline twist over there. And then yeah, that's it. All I have to do now is build the long drawn out bank at the end of Colossus, the final inline twist, which now that I know how to build them, because I've built 4 of them, should be fairly simple, the station / brake run area, and the lift. Now the lift, the station and the brake run, and the big drawn out bank and the final twist, they should be pretty easy to build. So I don't think there's that much time left of this build before it's fully complete. One thing that I'll add at the end of this video here is I've been watching a lot of Nerdforge recently, and she does some really amazing like custom scenery work with a lot of these houses and castles and stuff like that. She does like PC cases, there was a PlayStation 5 case, just other like big models and set pieces. And I've actually been inspired by her through watching her videos and stuff to actually have a go at making some custom stations for the coasters that I make. My skills are definitely nowhere near this level, but I want to try and do something like this for a future build. Not for Colossus, but probably for a future build. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you haven't already, go check out some of my other videos. I've got quite a lot of builds on the channel now. The content's really building up. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.